in this house, I don't know which spot to choose as my favorite spot. I go to one room and then the moment I go to the next room, that next room becomes my favorite. Like now I'm in the balcony and now this balcony is my favorite. Hey everyone, welcome back to Design Cafe's YouTube channel. I am Rukhmini Saha and today on this episode, I am going to take you around one of the stunning 4 BHKs at Sobha Windsor, Whitefield. Join me as we walk through this beautiful space and see how thoughtful designs turn everyday living into something so elegant and personal. As soon as you enter this beautiful home, what grabs your attention is this beautiful foyer area. On one side, you have a storage for your shoes along with a sitting area right beside it. On the other side, you have carbon lowers to hide away all the electrical panels. Along with that, you have these warm lights, the wooden beading, and the best part, the sand art. This is for sure elevating the entire look of the living space as well. As soon as you come into the living room, the colors here feel so light and so aesthetic. Everything looks just seamless. We have selected a cotton linen sofa with veneer sides. It's beige, very minimal, and goes with the aesthetic of the entire living area. I just love the TV unit here. This marble shade panel done in Marmo Oro along with the wooden rafters and the lights here makes it look so beautiful. Now to match this, we have added Irish cream laminate and the beige marble flooring here just adds on to the aesthetic of the entire living area. You know, another thing that I love about this TV unit are these lights here which cast a gentle shadow on the molding and makes your evening here look way more cozy and aesthetic. Another amazing addition to this living area has to be this puja unit. The brown tinted glass and the warm light here makes it look so seamless and goes so well along with the TV unit. Moving on to the dining area, I must say that this is the place where functionality meets elegance, yet it's a part of the living room as well. Along with that, you must also notice this crockery unit here, wherein again we have used Irish cream laminate and brown tinted glass so that it looks seamless along with this entire living area. Plus, I have to say that what I love the most about this area are the lights here. This is completely cohesive, making the living area, dining area, kitchen all look so put together. You know, the designer told me that this is one of the smallest kitchen that she has designed, yet it accommodates all the functionality required to keep your kitchen absolutely clutter-free. This C-shaped kitchen is optimized to every inch. Every corner, every drawer has a purpose here. Here it features durable quartz countertops, bronze tinted glass for elegance and very clean laminates. One unit that stands out very prominently in the kitchen has to be this rolling shutter. It's very sleek and very easy to handle. You know what's my favorite part? It has to be this attached breakfast area. Why I like it the most? It's because I can watch TV from here, have my breakfast as well as talk to somebody in the kitchen. How cool is that? This master bedroom feels so serene and peaceful, right? To help you seamlessly switch from work mode to chill mode, we chose these leather matted headboards to give a very soft and understated look. Along with that, I feel the USP of this bedroom is this floating bed, along with the hydraulic storage and movable side tables, giving more space into the room. This TV unit also has a dresser unit along with it and a locker for all your valuables. This TV unit also has sort of, those warm lights which sets the mood and tone for this room. This wardrobe is done in the same color combination as that of the TV unit so that everything looks very organized and very cohesive. Along with that, there's also an end unit over here for all those nitty-gritty things of yours which you can store. And not just the room, there's mood lighting even in the washroom as well, along with covered storage so that everything looks very seamless and clutter-free. This additional bedroom is designed keeping flexibility in mind and hence can be used as a workstation or even as an additional guest bedroom. This window seat is so beautiful now. Imagine sitting here and sipping your evening coffee. In fact, not just for aesthetics, there's also hidden storage here to make it way more practical and usable. Vivek generally works from home and I feel this room works out perfectly for him. It has a huge table here along with a display unit up here wherein he can showcase all his medals, awards, certificate and all those stuff. I feel this room is very well done to make it like a workstation or like an additional guest bedroom. And there's one more thing that I want to show you regarding this study area. If you see, there is warm tone light as well as cool tone light. So that means he can use it as per his mood. And finally, these wardrobes are done in Irish cream and tinted brown to add to the elegance of this room and make it look all so seamless. And the best part, what I love the most? Of course, it has to be the window seating and this display unit.
Hi, welcome to my room.
This room has been specifically done in space theme because Reyansh wants to become an
Astronaut.
The wardrobes has been done in winter sea finish and where were you? And also you should look at these lights here mimicking planets. Isn't it good?
Yes.
There's a dresser unit here and a display unit there for all the Lego set that he makes. And along with that, there's also storage under the bed to keep all these toys inside and keep the kids' bedroom absolutely clutter-free and clean. The study and the overhead cabinet is done in pearl frost laminate so that it's playful and light yet adaptable for the future. This is the guest bedroom and this is done in a way keeping in mind that it adds a lot of warmth and timelessness. The accents that are used in this room makes it feel very homely. In fact, the wardrobes here are done in metal beige, which adds a very soft touch and blends with the entire feel of this room. So before we step out of this room, I must also mention about this cozy studying corner. This is right beside the window, so has a very modern feel, yet adds a nostalgic charm to it. My goodness, in this house, I don't know which spot to choose as my favorite spot. I go to one room and then the moment I go to the next room, that next room becomes my favorite. Like now I'm in the balcony and now this balcony is my favorite. Like look at this jhula, man. Imagine sitting here in the evening or in the early morning and just chilling and doing nothing. And there's also a storage here to make the balcony way more useful. I just love this spot. And now this is my favorite. Well, designing this home was always about finding that sweet spot. It has to be minimal, elegant, yet it has to reflect you. And at Design Cafe, that is what we strive for. The design that reflects your essence and not just current trends. If you love this home tour, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe and share this video with anybody dreaming of designing their dream home. Go ahead and explore more designs at designcafe.com and book a free design consultation today.